After a month of not being able to do a long multi-day adventure ride, we finally found ourselves preparing for Sagada Abra Adventure Tour. And this time, Randy and I were joined by our riding friends, Mark, Miguel, and Jojo. Every journey is an adventure, and this one turned out to be one for the books. Stay tuned for more experience on this episode. Mark, Miguel, and I planned to meet at Capel Commons at 5:30 in the morning. However, I was late because I had to finish some work at the office. We immediately set off to Petron Marilao to meet Randy and Jojo.
How are you feeling today, Sir Randy?
Very good, very excited since kahapon pa. Ano pa nga lang Thursday pa lang, naka-impake na ako eh.
Si Jojo, si Sir Jojo. Interview mo natin. Taga saan ka?
Taga Antipolo.
Yan. Pero lagi ka na nasa North.
Oo.
So excited ka ba ngayon?
Medyo excited pero tinakali yung gising.
Hello, Miguel.
Hello.
Saan ka punta?
Sagada, let's go!
Alright, sa bikes, we have the Honda CB, ano to? CL500. Ito yung scram version ng Honda CB, Honda Rebel. Yan, so, hindi ko alam. But yan ang gamit ni Randy ngayon for on-road and off-road. And then syempre we have the 690 Enduro. Yan ang gamit ni Jojo. Pang trail yan, pero ilo-long ride niya ngayon. And then we have the Africa Twin ni Miguel. Nabuhay ulit. Actually, lumubog to eh. Lumubog to nung kahapon na nakalubog pa to sa tubig eh. So ngayon nabuhay. Ewan ko na ginawa nila. And then the Tenere, of course, that's mine. And SCTEX ni Mr. Mark Sung. Ayan na. That's the star of this ride. Alright, let's do it. Let's go.
And after saying hi and few chats, we began our journey to Baguio. To get to Baguio, we decided to take NLEX, SCTEX, and TPLEX. And from there, we will ride the famous Halsema highway going to Bauco and finally reach Sabangan to ride the highway that leads to Stauton Road leading to Sagada. When we finally reached Baguio, and just like any adventures, mishap happened.
Kwento mo nga, ano ba nangyari dyan kasi? Ano ba nangyari? Ano ba yung, ba't ba nasira yung bike mo?
Dinala ko sa kinabuan, tapos ang lalaki ng bato, left and right. Hindi ko nga alam yung tinamaan rin yun kasi di naman dyan nahulog yung side, kabila. So baka sumabit siya sa batong malalaki.
Ano nangyari, Jo?
Basag yun, tumutuloy lang isa.
Ha?
Basag.
Ba't nabasag?
Swimming sa ilog.
Oo, humahataw kanina, nangangamote kanina.
140, babad.
Ang gagawin mo, paano solution dyan?
Epoxy steel muna natin para di maubos yung oil niya kasi malayo pa tayo.
Abot naman yan.
Abot to. Tatagal to mga 1 month and then palit na lang siya ulit ng
Palit siya ng boom bike, no?
buong bike. O kaya rider.
Yo.
Hindi ko alam, kaka-trail yan.
Mahataw kaya yata kanina eh.
Sabi kasi hataw niya eh.
Ay, nako.
Wala pa kami, sa Baguio pa lang kami.
Lance, kumusta ride?
Sarap!
Coming up here sa Baguio.
Medyo traffic lang sa Marcos as expected. Hindi nagpapadaan sa Kennon so we have to reroute sa Marcos. And sa sobrang traffic, ang daming nasunugan ng clutch na sasakyan.
Never go on the long ride without a mechanic.
Yun.
Yan.
Tama yun.
Always.
Kasi, like that. Oh, yan oh. Kakabot-kabot sa ulo tuloy si... Silipin natin ang SCTEX ni Mark with giant loop bags. Pang ilang long ride na nito? First long ride of Mark's SCTEX. Usually, tinitrail lang to eh. Tinitrail namin to eh. So,
It's only my third long ride.
Third long ride? Oh,
Yeah,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Kasi guys, I'm not sure kung alam nyo, ito si Mark, ang international budol. Okay? So, yan, pag naka-ride niyo yan, next time magra-ride na kayo sa Himalayas, o kaya sa sa Mongolia, di ba? So, watch out pag kasama niyo si Mark.
India soon.
India, well actually, mag-i-India kami soon.
After successfully repairing the crankcase, we headed our way to Halsema Highway. Halsema Highway is 150 kilometers long, running south to north from Baguio City to Bontoc in Mountain Province. One of the things I love about riding the northern provinces is the food. After hours of riding, we finally stopped to take a much-needed break. We've been wanting to stop for lunch, but the traffic in Baguio City discouraged us to do so. The food in Carinderia often serve local food. A usual combination of chicken, pork, with fresh vegetable and pancit is common.
Lunchtime dito sa Bugias. Tayo kami dyan sa Joruka restaurant. Sarap, lamig, finally. On the way, twisties. Hindi naman ganun kadami yung mga trucks. Pero pag may opportunity, in-overtake na namin para makarating kami ng mas maaga. Ang ayoko lang dito sa pag dumadaan kami sa Halsema Highway, yung mga chicken dung, yung mga ginagawa ng fertilizer. Ang baho eh. Hindi ko ma-take yung amoy na nasusuka talaga ako pag naamoy ko. Ginagawa nilang fertilizer, I think, sa mga gulayan. Kasi itong area na to, yung mga bundok, kinover na nila ng or ginawa nila ng terraces. So, and then ang tanim dito, mga pechay, mga gulay. So, yung mga gulay na dinadala sa Manila, dito galing. Kain muna tayo.
No pets allowed. Pinasok mo yung pet mo. Nakapasok pet mo.
Stay!
Shit. Tigilan mo ako, Jake Cyrus. Alam ko dati kasi, ikaw dati si Charis. Bigay mo sa first time mo, nag-ride dito.
Hindi ba rin laki twisties? Sarap, sarap. Naiyak na nga ako kanina.
Talaga.
Akin lang yun.
Full pata?
Akin lang yun.
Ang sama na tingin yan eh. Seryoso siya doon.
And then, ano yung special jumbo rice? May manok?
Oo. May manok, may chicken, changkan.
May manok, may chicken. Pareho lang yun eh. Niloko mo talaga kami eh.
Chicken, changkan.
Ano gusto mo? Chicken or manok?
Yung chicken na to na yung
Oo,
manok.
sige. O tsaka sige, limang special jumbo rice.
Yun.
Lima. Sige.
Food nila, mga 200 per order, 150, pero laki ng serving. Tapos, fresh yung mga, lasang fresh yung, definitely. Kasi yun yung gulayan, no? Ayun, no? So, dito ka sa gulayan, so fresh yung mga gulay. But not only that, even yung usapan nga namin kanina na okay kumain sa mga ito kasi it helps the local economy. But at the same time, talagang kakain ka rin dito talaga kasi masarap siya eh. So sulit din. Looking forward to our dinner later sa Sagada. That's it for now. We'll hit the road. So, mga 3 hours pa. Cheers!
After having sumptuous lunch, we hit the road again, enjoying the sceneries and more twisty roads. The sun was up and the sky is cleared, so despite the heat radiating from above, the cool wind hitting our face gave a much better feeling. We enjoyed the twists and turns so much more, and we were greeted with mountain vistas that showcased vegetable terraces and forests along the road. Some of the portions of the highway are at the top of the mountains, and the highway gets foggy, which is a welcome treat coming from a place that is hot and humid. After a couple of more rest stops, we finally reached Sabangan. This is the junction that transitions to Tagudin Cervantes Sabangan Road that leads to Stauton Road, which is the road that will take you to Sagada. At this point, we got more excited and our pace got faster. As we ascended to Sagada, we were greeted with more mountain views and the familiar Sagada weather, which is cold and gloomy. Excited, we got to our destination in no time.
We are here sa Rock Inn. Yan.
Celebratory drink.
Celebratory drink. Cheers, everyone. Good job. Good job, good job, good job.
Everyone had a good ride.
Yan.
Huwag lang kayong maniwala sa clear ni Jojo.
Oh, clear ni Jojo, good for lang yun. 2 seconds. We arrived earlier than expected, di ba? We were expecting about 6 na 5 o'clock pa lang. And safe. And hindi kami pagod. Yun. Tsaka si Randy hindi tumitili. Last time tumitili yan si Baby Randy.
May tumitili kanina. Sino ikaw ba yun? Ganda eh.
Ito si
Mapigilan. Ganda eh.
si Del Moto. Yan, follow nyo. Del Moto.
hello.
Yan. Parang can goods yun eh.
Oh, Del Moto.
Del Moto Vlogs. Yan. Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
We check in at Rock-In Cafe in Sagada, a small cozy homestay place that offers clean rooms and local food that is fresh and authentic. We settled in, took a much-needed bath, and then proceeded to the dining area to have pinikpikan, a local delicacy that involves letting the chicken bleed before it's cooked. We also had vegetables and other pork dishes that is really delicious.
Sarap yung piniktikan, pare. Oo, sobra. First time ko nakatikim, hindi ko ma-explain yung lasa niya. So, para siyang tinola na mas malasa, mas may umami, di ba? Hindi siya alat eh. Parang, yun nga, umami.
Smoke.
Oh, this is delicious.
Tinola na may leather bag.
May ano?
May leather bag.
Ano yung leather bang?
Leather na bag.
Leather bag. No, okay. Good.
Yan yung lasa niya.
After dinner, we finished our bottle of wine around the campfire prepared for us by the homestay staff. Here, we chatted and exchanged stories about our experiences in riding motorcycles.
Yung iba kasi, forward lang yun. Sila to, tapos
After about an hour, we retired to our rooms to prepare for the next day's adventure.
Morning.
Gusto tulog.
Sarap, lamig. Lamig, sobra.
Tayo pala ba?
Ha?
Tayo pala muna.
Tayo pa lang, oo. Mukhang tulog pa sila. Enjoying the weather. The plan for today is we wake up early. We catch the sunrise here, siguro sa viewpoint. And then we go straight to Abra via Malibcong. So, hindi natin alam kung anong klaseng adventure awaits us later. But hopefully it's a good one. I know it's a good one. Basta nasa mountain province ka, every ride is a surprise. So,
Alright, good morning. 4 o'clock, having coffee. Then we're gonna gear up and then we'll ride early today because we have about 150 kilometers to cover. Some of the portions will be off-road. Well, not hardcore off-road. Hopefully not, because people are saying that it can turn into a difficult off-road depending on the weather. So hopefully it doesn't rain. And yeah, I'm excited.
What I did,
Natutulog ka.
what I did, I put the electric fan by the window. Nag-blow in ng air. So
Seryoso, pinasok mo ba? Ako pinatay ko na eh. It's our food. Good morning. Kumusta, Jo? Kumusta tulog?
Kapag tulog, grabe.
Nanaginip ka ba?
Oo, si Miguel daw, binabangungot daw eh.
Seryoso, sabi niya? Kumusta tulog?
Sarap ng tulog ko, kaso pinapakungan ako.
May babaw.
Parang rin out yung face ko, nararamdaman ko lahat ng sakit.
Putang ina.
Oh.
Well, good morning! Ano oras na? 5:30. Gearing up, preparing, ready to go. Day 2 of this touring adventure. Going to Abra this time. So we're taking Lubuagan and then going to Malibcong and then Malibcong to Narvacan. That's the plan for today. Of course, we'll do some stops to appreciate the view. It's really foggy, nice and cold here in Sagada. Yeah. Oy,
Thank you
good
for
morning po. Good morning po.
He's sponsored by. He got me a good discount. Bro.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for scoring the
Owner.
LS2. New LS2.
Ayan. Sinama kita sa video, boss ha. Ayan o.
Good morning.
Rock in!
Ano ba pwede?
Panalo dito as in. So dito na lagi tayo going to whenever we go to Sagada. So Mark, we brought a helmet for him. And as a gift. Yan. So buti kasya yung helmet. Yan. So LS2, thank you. And of course Moto World, Moto Market.
Manghamog yung kalsada, dahan-dahan.
Sino nag-ride para mag-chip? Kung hindi sagad, hindi ka totoong adventure rider. Saka yung bike mo, palitan mo na yan. Not every bike's an adventure bike, you know?
15 minutes, we're on our way. I'm wearing my jacket because it's foggy and a little bit of rain. Alright everyone, let's ride.
Our plan was to leave early. Miguel wanted to stop by a view deck along the road to witness the famous sea of clouds and sunrise of Sagada. Despite of the thick fog and rain, we were lucky to be able to witness this amazing view. It was magical. The scene hits you deep that you become emotional and appreciating life even more.
10 a.m. here at Malangio, Tinglayan. Stop over for a quick coffee. Ganda ng daan dito, grabe. Twisty siya, zigzag. Pero malinis. Well, may mga parts na may landslide, may mga parts na madulas. But ang sarap ng hangin, ang sarap ng ganda ng views, ganda ng mga nakikita mo sa paligid. Anyway, coffee muna and we'll continue our journey.
Miguel. Musta so far?
Ganda ng view doon. Grabe.
Babalik ka dito?
Hindi na siguro.
Ha?
Layo eh. Kung may magdadrive sa akin dito, babalik ako. Kasi maganda talaga. Kailangan niya ma-experience yung lahat.
Anong favorite part mo?
Actually, yung Prestige Road kanina, tsaka Sagada, yung on the way to Sagada. Maganda.
Nice. May falls oh, ayun oh. Ayun oh, taas.
Still fresh
Coffee. You want with sugar? There's sugar there.
Okay.
The Abra Kalinga road were narrower and have sharper turns, switchbacks, and hairpins that will surely test your skills. At this point, we were starting to feel the pain on our hips from the constant twisty roads. After a couple of hours riding and ascending through mountains, we finally reached the welcome marker of Malibcong, which is situated at the peak of the mountain. This place offers almost 360 view of Abra. It was truly amazing.
Ilang meters?
Nakalagay dun sa 2,600 meters. Kaya natin sa watch ko Nakalagay dito, 1,600 lang.
Barbero.
Ang Mount Pulag, 2,800 meters. Ano tayo na sa Pulag?
How's the ride, sir?
Okay naman.
Ganda na twisties,
Weird
no?
and strange lang.
Bakit?
Ay, sinustan tayo ni Jake Cyrus. Kanina, kasama mo ba yan?
Ewan ko nga, bigla tayo. Di ba apat lang tayo?
Akala ko kasi per adventure bike lang kasama natin.
Jake Cyrus, ano masasabi mo?
Ayun na naman siya!
Fear of
Sagada.
Galing tayo ng Sagada, tapos we traverse the Kalinga Abra Road. So, andito na tayo sa boundary, technically. Ayan. So, after this, it's gonna be Malibcong, and then Abra na tayo.
Jo, ano sabi dyan? Ano sabi?
Pagkakaintindi ko, maraming salamat eh.
Maraming salamat.
Magtago ka, Jake Cyrus.
Bawal lang obits dito. Si ano yun, Si Del Moto pork and beans. So I think we're about 40 more kilometers to get to Narvacan. We'll spend the night there. Tomorrow we'll go back to Manila. Partners sila, magkakasawa. So, Yan ang dream ng lahat ng mag-partner, mag-asawa. Yung pag matanda na kayo, travel kayo together, no? Okay yan. Yun. Tara, bagets. Let's go. Let's do it.
After appreciating the view and resting, we got on our bikes and started riding to our next destination. The rest of the highway was a mix of gravel and paved road winding through the mountains of Abra, offering more mountain views and mountains. We passed by waterfalls and rice terraces that are truly magnificent.
Road 204. Dalawang oras na kami na dito. Galing kami Balbalan. Kaya pala Balbalan yung pangalan nun. Kasi pag pumunta ka dito, nakarating ka dito, may isip mo, puro ka Balbalan yung ginagawa mo. Kasi pagkahaba-haba nito, yung twisties niya, mas
Mas sharp, tsaka maraming dumi sa kalsada. Hindi ka rin makabakbak ng todo, hindi ka maka-corner ng maayos kasi pagliko mong ganun, boom, buhangin, boom, basa, boom, bato, boom, tricycle.
Boom! Tomboy! Ay, nako! Miguel, kamusta?
Ayoko na.
Ha?
Ayoko na.
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Kabalbalan?
4 months ako hindi mag-ride. 4 months.
Injured.
Pinunta ko kasi dito off-road. Wala ako nakitang off-road. Fake news ako
Budol to.
Budol. Sinabi sa akin, mahirap na off-road. Wala akong nakitang mahirap na off-road.
Meron mga 200 meters.
Ito pa rin ang pinakayaw ko.
Hindi na susunod sama si Mark niya. Pinudol nyo. Sabi nyo 80% off-road. Ngayon pala 80% road. 10% off-road.
Tara, let's go. Hanap tayo ng lugar na na makapag-rest tayo. Alright, let's do it.
After 5 p.m., we finally reached Bangued, where we stopped for a quick meal.
Kayo si
Alexis Claus to, sir.
ikaw yung president ng may club ka.
Meron, sir, Abra Riders Club. President namin si Boss Alex Go. Alex Go.
Ano yung mga ride mo, sir?
Sir?
Ano yung mga ride mo?
Bale, nag-Philippine Loop na ako, sir, noong 2017. And nag-endurance na ako. Bale, yung last na laro ko lang, sir, nung last month, yung Cordillera Adventure 2. Yung mga biyahero dyan, mga daan lang kayo dito sa Kanto, dito sa Lagangilang, malapit sa kampo. Pupunta ng mga Kalinga, yung mga way papuntang Isabela, pwede na dito. Pag magagabihan kayo, pwede kayong kumain dito.
We found a spot where the owner was also an adventure rider. After filling our belly, we regained enough energy to continue our travel to our final destination. We finally reached our hotel around 8 p.m. Mark booked this place only an hour ago while we were eating. It was a decent Airbnb that offers 3 rooms and a common living room. This was along the National Highway, and we chose this hotel as it's already by the highway going back to Manila.
Good morning. 4 in the morning, prepping to ride out. We're gonna hope to be in Manila by 12 noon. So we're here in Narvacan. The good thing about this is that we're already here. It's a national highway. So it's gonna be just a long stretch of national road, TPLEX, SCTEX, then NLEX. And that's it. It's been a great weekend. So far, everything's good. We didn't get the trail, but that's fine. We enjoyed the views, we enjoyed the destinations, but most important of all, we enjoyed the company. So, saya kasama ng mga kasama ko. Looking forward to the next ride as early as now. How's your sleep?
Short, pero sa bahay na tayo babawi niyan. Very surprising kasi pare-pares natin hindi alam yung route, yung Kalinga to Abra. Very roadless travel, all I can say. Pero we've been rewarded by amazing views. I mean, different vantage point of the Cordillera Mountain Range. And it's my first time in Abra. So,
What's your favorite part in the entire trip?
well, Sagada. Always magical in Sagada. Plus, yun nga, makikita mo yung the other side of the Cordillera. Kasi galing na tayo ng yung kabilang side, yung going to Banawe, going to Tabuk, going to, how do you say this? Kasiguran. So, dito naman tayo, going to, I think the east side, di ba? Going
West.
to, west, going to Abra, and then ending up in Ilocos.
Yo, kamusta? Kamusta ride? Overall.
Sobra saya. Masaya.
Kaya-
Habang natutulog ako, nagtitwistis pa rin ako eh. Ilang hours tayo bumibiyahe? 5 o 6 na twisties. Ayun, pagiga ko din nagtitwistis sa pag-anaginip.
Parang nagmagalaw ka pa eh. No?
Oo. Walang hinto.
Anong favorite part mo?
Lahat naman. The best yung may thrill yung road kahit maganda yung kalsada. May thrill siya. Yung pinaka-thrill doon yung lumot, yung mabuhangin, tayo ng mga kalabaw, yun yung thrill.
Oy,
doon.
di rin mahirap yun kasi bulugan yun, ha?
Oo, sa mga cornering na may pag corner mo, lumot sa gitna. Pag corner mo, buhangin sa gitna. Yun yung mga thrill doon.
Ano masasabi
Exciting.
sa mga kasama mo?
Okay, the best sa mga kasama.
Sino pinakakamote?
Si Miguel.
Okay, ikaw, Miguel, kumusta? Ano na to? Final thoughts na to? For...
Ayos. Ang the best dito yung Sagada Road. Ando ng off-road. Tapos may mga putik. Ang lamig kasi, parang mga ilang hours tayo. 5 hours tayo sa lamig. 6 hours sa lamig. The best yun. Tapos di ka may initan. Parang dito, may init na dito eh. Masarap mag-ride, di ka mapapagod. Tsaka enjoy yung view. Pag narinig niyo ako sa paktok, sumisigaw ako, sobrang saya. The best.
Explore na tayo after.
Final thoughts muna, Mark. How's the
Final
ride?
thoughts? Wala. I didn't get what I was looking for.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Reverse budol. Pinamis ako yung budol. Hindi ako binudol.
Hindi, budol nga.
Oo, reverse budol.
Oo.
Reverse budol.
Kumusta yung overall experience?
Good. I didn't expect to enjoy the road so much. Yung kumbaga, when you have when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Just kidding. It wasn't that bad.
Yun.
It was good. And the company's good. Except for isang guy, kulit. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino. Kuha na intriga. Good company.
Sino inanap sa TPLEX?
Anong plan next? Anong next ride natin?
Babawihan ka namin.
Ito, budol talaga.
Yung same day trail, 3 araw kita ikukulong sa bundok. Tatawa siya, kaya papatawa ko eh. Okay, that's it. And see you again next time.
Overall, this long ride was one for the books. Although we did not experience a trail ride that we were all expecting and did not see Apo Hills, it was an awesome experience nonetheless. The long twisty roads sharpened our skills, and the majestic views rejuvenated our soul. And finally, the camaraderie between the group grew stronger. This ride was made special not only by the road, but mostly by the company I am with. I will definitely ride with this group again. And that's it for this episode. Till our next adventure, see you on the road.